So hi, I am actually at day 10 with Miss Rona, I'm fine, and I decided to change these brake pads because, well, I done almost 1,000 kilometers with this beast. So these are the new ones, and I'll be showing you how to replace them. Basically there are two screws which you need to remove. Now I already did change the rear ones, so yeah. But basically it's quite easy. Now these screws are of the same size, so you do not need to worry. And this is the well, what you need to replace. So first of all, I will be unplugging this thing, which is the some kind of spring, I guess. Just pull it. Basically that's it. And now what you need to do, if you have such pliers, okay, I can actually push this thing out. So yeah, I've just pressed on the I've just pressed on this metal part, and I'm actually pushing this thing out. These ones are, well, yeah. So basically one is out and the other one is out, and that's it. So let's install the new ones, and you get the new spring as well. So basically you have this part, and they need to be like this, so they can press the disc. Okay, part one, just install it, and you can use actually pliers to press this thing down. So this thing needs to go inside, and basically all you need to do is install the other one, and you cannot install the other one if you haven't pressed this thing enough. But when you do, you can actually just push this thing inside, and that is basically it. Now you have to install the new spring, which goes in here. Sorry, I don't want this thing to go out. Okay, the new spring, and you just press this thing in, jiggle it a bit, and basically you have installed the well, new brake pads, and all you need to do is press it in here and screw this thing in, and that is it. No need to unscrew anything, and yeah, you have yourself new pads installed. Now I already did install them in the my rear drive, oh sorry, and yeah, that's it. New brakes installed. Quite easy. You don't need to open or unscrew anything because you pour oil in here. So yeah, that's it. And there is a rubber gasket, so have that in mind. Well, yeah, that's it. Brakes changed. Until the next time, have a good day. Hope you liked this video. If you did, please click thumbs up. If you did not, you know what to do. And yeah, you can actually do this thing yourself.